Okay, welcome to Hyping Tech. Today we're going to be doing a quick Amazon look at a few gadgets that are worth looking at. Gadgets, technology kind of things. So before we get there, I think it's time for a quick drink. We are not affiliated with bar in any way. It's just an amazing fucking drink, mate.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
And there you have it. Beautiful. Okay, so if I take you over to this screen and not show you that ad again because we don't want to see it twice. And what do we have? Sonzy, you haven't said anything yet. What's going on?
Nothing.
How you like the
Chilling.
bubblegum bar?
Beautiful.
Okay, Amazon. It's a tricky place because loads of people find wicked gadgets there.
Yeah.
You end up spending loads of money.
Yeah.
The stuff's not great that you end up getting.
Yeah.
But what we've got here is something that you will like. Do you remember Game Boys?
I wasn't born at that time, but yes, I remember.
Are you trying
Not
to-
as that old.
You trying to say I'm old?
No.
Well, you know what? You're not getting that bubblegum drink now. We can keep that over there, mate. Okay, so this is basically like a Game Boy. You remember Super Mario, though, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so Super Mario.
It's similar to a Nintendo DS, but advanced
Yes.
version. Like,
Yeah, DS is basically, a new version of a Game Boy. But Game Boy, there was two types. There was a color and a, not black and white, but like a green LCD, like calculator screen.
yeah.
But this looks like a decent one. It's got a 3-inch TFT color screen. You've got games in there. So it's a handheld game console, retro mini game machine with 400 classical FC games. You know what? I might end up buying this.
Yeah.
This is meant to be just to show you guys, but I might end up buying this. I'll save it in my favorites. Okay, so we have, what games does it say? Oh, there's loads of them. And it's only $23.99. That's not a lot of money. If you're buying a present for someone, it's a good idea.
Yeah. Simple
Whatever
but
age you are.
effective.
Yeah. So let's have a quick look at some of the reviews, because what is normally interesting on these is like, customer pictures. Oh yeah, it does look that good. So that's a look at customer, 5 stars. It's got you know what? That's tempting. Because
Yeah.
look, it's got a remote
yes.
pad as well. It's like a retro pie.
Yeah.
We bought a retro pie. We might put that video on this channel actually. Remember when I put retro pie on the Raspberry Pi and we played all the classical games? We play
Mario, Ninja
Mario
Gaiden.
Kart. Ninja Gaiden. We don't have that on the sound.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So this is a definite number 1 on the list. And I would say yes. If someone gave this to me as a present, being into technology, I would love it. So here's a great idea. Let's go on to the next one. This is a bit more interesting. So it's like a multi-gadget tool, but kind of all in one. So it's a multi-tool pen. And it looks like it's got a ruler built in, a pen,
Wow.
a screwdriver, and it
the
looks
heck?
quite neat. And the pen actually works, and it's got a rubber on it.
No.
That's how much is that? $6.79. So it's a cheap price. Let's have a look at some of the customer pictures. 4 colors available: black, silver, and red. Crafted with care. Okay, here I always like to look at the actual pictures of people receiving it. Oh, that looks alright.
Yeah.
It's like a bit funky, like a builder's style pen, isn't it? So again, it's got a bit. Oh, someone got it. I bought this multi-use pen mainly using as a touch pen. Oh, it's like for touch screens. There's that bubble in the back. However, it has been tore apart within 1 week of normal use. Very upsetting product. Oh dear. What are the general reviews like? Are they all like that? Because then again, if they bought it,
even that, he probably broke it. And he's
no, but if he bought it for that purpose and he used it a lot, it should last, shouldn't it? Because that's one thing about cheap stuff. They don't last as long as the good old stuff. Okay, so that's number 2 on the list. Number 3, this is amazing. It's like if you do any type of DIY at home or drilling or like stuff we make in the garage and that, this is like a magnetic belt, but it goes around your wrist. So you can actually stick Like when you're doing different drill bits or screws, you could, if they're metal, you can just stick them on your hand.
Instead of holding them.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because I always end up putting it on my mouth.
Yeah.
I'm looking like a fool. Let's have a look at a customer picture, maybe. Yeah, so there you can see an example there on his arm. It's waterproof.
But even that, you could just put it in your pocket. They have
No, but
working
while
vest.
you're working, it's like just quick, isn't it? In your pocket, it's a bit. What ends up happening is it pokes you if you're in like an odd situation. Okay, there's a look at the tool. Has he got something with it? Oh, spanners. That's a good idea. If you're a car mechanic and you're under the car, you know, you always look for the 10mm and you can't find it here. It's on your arm, mate. Boom, 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 boom. Sony, boom. Come on, man.
Oh yeah.
Get with the game. And we used oh yeah a couple of times. We need some more sound effects. Let us know what sound effects.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Yes. Okay. Guess what? I got a bit of a fart extinguisher. What would you use that for, Tones?
Pranking. I'd go to school and just like, you know. But even I don't understand. You're just gonna spray it, so there's no way for you like to have those balloons. You can sit on them and then fart.
Okay, great fun adult toy for a laugh.
Oh, I know what that is.
Fart extinguisher, air freshener, novelty fun. Okay, does it smell like a fart or does
It
it get
smells.
rid of?
Oh my god! In school, we had the exam. One of my friends, he had like a what did he have? He had like some kind of fart spray. He's farted it.
That's different. We used to have those. It's like
Yeah.
a little egg pill. You break it and it makes a
No, it's
disgusting
the actual.
eggy smell.
They're used for whiteboards to clean whiteboards. It stinks fully. Basically, you put it on a girl in the exam. Oh my god! Everyone was like doing that with the noise.
But I think this is a fart extinguisher,
Yeah.
so this smells nice to cover that smell.
Oh, all right, okay.
It's quite small. Look, come on,
Yeah.
it's misleading. That looks like a big thing.
But even that though, that's good because some people are allergic to like sprays and stuff sometimes.
Yes.
So it's like
So that oh here. Okay, let's have a customer picture. Oh. He got it and it's broken. So it
No.
must have leaked out in the post. Product was smashed on so arrival and leaked all over the packaging. At least your packaging smelled nice, mate.
yeah.
Oh dear. Oh, he dropped a shot, bomb shot. Okay, serious one. Look at that beauty.
Like a robot toy.
Vector Robot by Anki, the voice-controlled AI robotic champion with Amazon Alexa built in. What? How much is this? $73.99? It's a bit more pricey. Okay, so small. Oh, there. It's small. So it's like, you know, the kids have them Bluetooth controllable little toys.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got video. Can I play a video? Oh, it charges itself. It's like a robotic vacuum cleaner. Curious little guy. Take a picture. He's got a camera in there. So he takes a picture.
Oh, it's small. £70 for that.
Yeah. Were you expecting it to be like a big on robot?
Yeah.
Come on, mate.
Do everything for me. Sit on there.
Now, you know what would be good? If your battery on your phone's not good,
Yeah.
it should be like wireless charging. So put it on
Just
top.
drop it on, yeah.
And it just goes to the plug and plugs it in and it brings it back to you after 5 minutes. I doubt it does that, but that would be a good idea to have it do that. Let's have a look at some customer pictures, if there are any. Did someone pay £70 for? Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, okay, that looks like a...
Oh,
4-star.
he's using it as a game.
Yeah. I think it probably does certain things, like it picks up the box and puts it in that. Okay, so that was another one. We'll quickly go to the last one, which is a drone.
Sick.
It's only $17.99. It's a great little fun thing to have. It looks like a wind turbine, and $17.99 quadcopter infrared. Is quite safe because it's got the cage around it.
Yeah.
So then, you know,
Oh, alright.
Because remember the ones we bought, we ended up the actual blades kept breaking. But yeah, so that's one option. And let's have a look at some customer photos. Oh, is it hand signaled? So if you do that,
Oh,
it doesn't hit your hand, so you can stop it hitting stuff.
that's good.
That's a good idea, and it's quite cheap. Okay, here we go. This picture there of it flying. It looks quite big, doesn't it? USB charged. You know what? Have I got it here? Yes, I do have it here. Let me go to full screen. Okay. That's alright. Oh yes, I've got a top-down shot. Oh, what beautiful sounds, eh, boy. Beautiful. Okay, let me get rid of... There you go. Okay, so we had that quadcopter here is the quadcopter.
It's wrecked. It's ruined.
We had 2 of them, so you can see there. That might be a future project actually. 'Cause I've still got all the parts. We had the small one as well. And that's basically that.
Fatality.
Yes, that is a fatality. That should be in that. Holy moly! It was fun though.
Yeah.
I used to do a flip and stuff.
Flipping,
We
yeah.
only paid like about 20-ish quid for it as well, so it was cheap. But yeah, we've got a box full of shizzle, my shizzle. Okay, so that was our overview of this beautiful Amazon deals for some gadgets and tech. And you know what? Oh, you can see me. Oh my god, you can see me. You wasn't meant to be supposed to be seeing me.
Fatality.
Dad dance.
No, Elon Musk dance.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Okay, that's the end of that chapter. See you on the next one. Boom.